How do you best experience One World Observatory's 100th floor deck? Imagine standing atop the tallest building in the United States with a view that stretches 4 miles in every direction. That's what you get when you visit the 100th floor deck of One World Trade Center. This spot is part of the One World Observatory, located on the 100th, 101st, and 102nd floors of the building in Lower Manhattan. The building itself is the tallest in the country, reaching a height of 1,776 feet, which symbolizes American independence. To truly enjoy the 100th floor deck, start your journey with the SkyPod Elevator. It whisks you from the ground to the 102nd floor in just 47 seconds. During the ride, a digital display shows the evolution of New York City's skyline from the 1500s to today, giving you a quick history lesson. Once you arrive, step out onto the main observation deck on the 100th floor. Here, you can take in 360-degree views of the city. On clear days, you might see up to 50 miles away, including famous landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and the Brooklyn Bridge. The deck is designed for easy viewing, with glass walls that let you feel like you are floating above the city. For a more interactive experience, check out the Sky Portal. It's a virtual window that gives you a live, real-time view of the streets below, as if you are flying over the city in a helicopter. Another feature is City Pulse, a multimedia presentation that shares stories about New York's historic sites and neighborhoods. To make the most of your visit, try to go during sunset or twilight. The lighting makes the city glow and creates stunning photo opportunities. Be prepared for bigger crowds during these times, so arrive early or later in the evening if you want a quieter experience. When it comes to tickets, you can buy standard admission or choose priority tickets to skip the lines. Guided tours are also available if you want a more detailed explanation of what you're seeing. The 101st floor has a food court where you can grab snacks or a quick meal while enjoying the views. The 102nd floor is often used for special events, offering extra space for a different perspective of the city. Remember, visiting during off-peak hours can help you avoid crowds and get better photo opportunities. Also, check the weather forecast before your visit. Clear days will give you the best views, especially if you want to see beyond the city to the Atlantic Ocean or the hills of New Jersey. By combining these tips, you can create a memorable experience at the 100th floor deck of One World Observatory. It's a chance to see New York City from a perspective that is both breathtaking and educational, connecting you with the city's history and its iconic landmarks.